In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio from video in Canva. If you have a clip with background noise, unwanted music, or a recorded mic you don't want to use, this quick workflow will cleanly strip the sound so you can replace it with your own voiceover or music. Start by opening a template in Canva. From the home page, choose a video template that matches your project, like a standard 1080p video, a mobile-friendly size, or any existing design you're already working in. The template simply sets your canvas dimensions. You can change content later, so don't worry too much about design at this stage. Next, open the Upload section on the left sidebar. This is where you'll bring your media into the project. If the panel is collapsed, just expand it so you can see uploads. Click Upload Files to add your video from your computer, or drag and drop it directly into Canva. Once the upload finishes, you'll see a thumbnail of your clip in the media library. Insert the video by dragging it onto the canvas. Canva also places it on the timeline at the bottom, where you'll manage timing and audio. Make sure the clip is selected so you can access its options. Now, right-click on the video. If you're using a trackpad, use a two-finger click. On a Mac without a right-click button, hold the Control key while clicking. This opens the context menu with editing tools specific to your clip. Choose Extract Audio. Canva will separate the video's original soundtrack into its own audio layer. You'll notice a waveform appear beneath the video track in the timeline, confirming that the sound is now independent from the picture. Select the extracted audio by clicking on the waveform. You should see it highlighted. Double-check that only the audio track is selected and not the video clip above it. Look for the outline around the waveform to be sure. Click Delete Track. This removes the entire audio layer from the timeline, leaving your video silent. If you accidentally delete the video track, simply undo and repeat, making sure the audio layer is the one selected before deleting. Play the video to preview your result. Use the play button in the timeline to confirm there's no sound. If you still hear anything, it likely means there's another music or audio layer. Select that extra track and remove it the same way. When everything is silent, you're ready to add new audio or export the clip as a silent video. And that's all it takes to remove audio from a video in Canva. Simple, precise, and ready for your next edit.